Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to A/B test campaigns in Klaviyo. Ladies and gentlemen, you'll find yourself right over here on your homepage, your dashboard. On the left, you want to go and look for campaigns. On the right, you want to click on create campaign. You'll get a campaign name. You can change this. You want to change your campaign type. Click on continue and you can set your audience. And then you can add your message. Now you can use whatever channel you'd like, but I'm using email. And then we are going to create our email. So go to email library, go to saved emails, choose a template or create one from scratch. Whatever it is that you choose, go through, look for something that really resonates with you and something that really fits the needs of your organization. Okay, so we've got this back in stock beach over here. Let's click on this. You want to click on use template. Now once you click on use template, it'll take you to the template editor. This is where you can change a whole bunch of stuff about the actual email body itself. So you can click on any one of these elements, you can edit it on the left hand side. You can also see that there are different basic blocks as well as pre-built headers, block sections over here that you can drag over and literally just add in. So go ahead, drag it in, and it'll be added in. All right, very simple. What we want to do now is click on save and return. Okay, this is the part where it becomes important, and you can actually do this with all of your existing email campaigns as well. All you have to do is click on it, click on edit, you'll get to this page. On the right hand side, you'll see create A/B test. Once you click on this, it'll give you a couple of parameters that you can actually test. Okay, so choose your test type. Are you testing the content? So this will include subject lines, copy or graphics that work best, and then your send times. So now you can find the best times to send your communication. I'm going to choose the test type. Now, if you choose test type, it'll ask you, this is email variation 1. It'll ask you to edit this email name, subject line, preview text, sender name, sender email. This is number 2. Email name, subject line, preview text, all of the details. Go ahead and make whatever changes you feel are necessary to A/B test this. Maybe it's the subject line, maybe it's the name of the email, it doesn't matter. Go ahead, make the necessary changes. Here you want to know what you're actually testing and if you're getting the results that you want. So winning metrics, is it an open rate or a click rate? If it's an open rate, you will see over here you can check and change the parameters as well as the click rate. So size distribution, all right? So if you choose 100% of the campaign will be sent to everyone at the scheduled time, and you'll have the ability to send this into the recipient's local time zone. So if you want to really do an A/B testing here, you're going to have to do a 50-50, all right? So this means if you're doing 100%, 50% of your audience will receive email variation 1 and the other 50 will receive email variation 2. You can also see what your winning variation would be, and then you can track your links separately in each variation. So go ahead, turn that on, and once you're done, you're going to go up here, say save and return. Now when you come back here, you'll be able to see the metrics of this email per variation. So you can see what actually works and then take that data and move forward with it.